Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my R2D2's Periscope build. As you can see, I'm a little bit further ahead and actually forgot to make another video, but anyway, you can still see the basics of everything. I've got the kitchen drawer slider here, to which in the last video I said I was going to cut it down a little bit, to which I have. The entire shaft is actually a little bit shorter. The inner shaft I've also cut down and made bend over tabs just to keep it from sliding off its track. Um, the middle slider here is actually also cut down so that it has minimum movement, but when I put the motor on, to which I'm thinking of bending this back, setting the motor in place and using a drive belt to move it up and down with a reversible motor. Also, I now have some of the LEDs in place, and I gave it a quick little paint job with blue lens inside. I don't have the little light hooked up at the moment, but that's the basics of the wiring that I have. I'm not the most fantastic at wiring, but I have managed to get it functioning the way I want it to. Just little plumbing and electrical parts just to make up the what makes it look like the shaft and pistons and everything that were in it. This is just PVC piping that I've kind of put together to make it work. So in total, everything's coming along fairly well. So I've got the limits of the slider on there, and so everything slides fairly nicely, moves up and down, just like that. And with the motors in place here, and I'll have a bearing at the top so that the belt moves up and down. I have it attached to the bottom here, so I think everything's gonna work fairly well once I get the rest of it finished. So that's my Periscope at the moment, and when I get the motors in place and the belt in there and make sure that it moves up and down properly, I'll make another video and show everybody what I've got done so far.